Hi everyone, how y'all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen from Team Debru, and today's video is going to be about a complete guide to gotchas. Welcome to today's video on a complete guide to the Gotzha step by step. So literally, it's not gonna be a clickbait video just like always, guys. I'm gonna literally tell you what we're gonna do in today's video. What we're gonna do in today's video is we are literally going to talk about the whole Gotzha affiliate network. We are going to take a look at the website. We're going to take a look at the affiliate portal. We're going to take a look at everything possible, and we're going to cover as much as possible that we can regarding the Gotzha affiliate network. So that's what we're going to do. So without wasting any further due time, let's dive into today's video. So as you can see, this is literally the homepage of the Gotzha affiliate network. Let me just tell you a little bit thing that I've actually used the Gotzha network, and personally let me just tell you a few things that I know about Gotzha network before we dive into their website and see what they have to say about themselves. The first thing about Gotzha network is, if you go and list down like in Google, you go and type one of the best top 10 or best affiliate networks, this kind of search in Google, Gotzha will most likely be there. And especially if you go ahead and type best networks in Asia or best networks in the east side, something like that, Gotzha would definitely be there. Gotzha is a very highly reputable company. They was established in Thailand, but now their HQ is in Singapore. They have office in Singapore, they have office in Thailand, and they also have an office in Amsterdam. So what is the plus point about the Gotzha network is they have weekly payment terms, and it's just weekly, guys. Like whatever you say, it's weekly. It's not bi-monthly, it's not monthly, it's nothing, guys. It's weekly. And if you meet their cap of $500, you will get paid weekly, which I think is very important. And this is like one of the best plus points of Gotzha network itself. So they have weekly payouts, and their threshold is like very less, $500, and they also, you can actually get paid via Wire as well as Pioneer. So the payment methods, you can also go ahead and ask your affiliate manager if he can actually help you out with different payment methods or not. But then the weekly payout is such good. And when we talk about affiliate manager, the affiliate manager that they have in Gotzha network, I don't know how they actually found this kind of squad. You know, they say there's like a quote saying that there is no good company, there is only good workers in the company. So these good workers, if you have like a very good workers in your company, you will definitely build up a very great company. So it's all about finding a very good people that actually can work a team, and this team is actually, you can actually see them in Gotzha. They have like a very beautiful team when it comes to affiliate manager, because we always communicate with affiliate manager behind their desk, their business development and stuff like that. I literally have no idea, but let's talk about the affiliate manager, because they are the ones very important for us, and they are the ones who will be dealing with us on a daily basis. You know how efficient is the affiliate manager? If you actually go ahead and ask them a question out of their working hours, and they will literally answer you unless they are sleeping. Trust me, guys, this is like that. I actually communicate with them through via Skype, and I will be like, what the hell, almost 24/7 you are available to help us. That kind of customer service, when you give that kind of customer service, trust me, guys, your company is going to boom like that, guys, crazily. Because you give somebody, when somebody have question and they ask that question and you get back to them that fast, that kind of customer service make you when you engage with your customers in that pattern, trust me, people will love your company and people will definitely like to work with you. So we talked about the payment terms, we talked about the support team. Basically that's the plus point that we know about Gotzha, the major plus point, guys. And the one what we call a drawback when it comes to Gotzha is the Gotzha has no referral link, which is suck, so you can't actually get paid if you refer somebody to Gotzha. But I think that's the only downfall, and trust me guys, they are constantly building themselves up, so definitely they will come up with a solution for this drawback as well. So let's get to the website of Gotzha and see what Gotzha has to say about themselves. So media agency, they have like best offers for advertisers and publisher. We are not going to talk on the terms of advertisers, but we're going to take a look at the terms of advertisers as well. But because most of us, we are usually publishers, we are the one who's we are affiliate networkers, so we are not the ad company which is giving those ads, so we are more to publisher. So I'm going to talk much more to publisher. So let's go ahead and check out A to Z, guys. So when we scroll down, P-Safe online free services installs in 8 months 300,000, 60% retention date, the average DOI 55, 2 million in revenue. We transform partnership into friendship. That's why we are the best publisher you want to work with. All right, I truly trust this thing with them because they are very friendly. Let's see the testimony, guys. I would recommend them for sure. I had a positive blah blah blah. They're professional. Look at that, their professional way of handling business, and also because of their friendly attitude. They have like great payment terms. They always pay on time. Trust me, look at that. That's what people want, guys. People want you to get engaged with them. People want good customer service, and when you give good customer service, trust me, you are on the brink to get good type of revenue. That's why even though they are a very they are not like very old company, they are like a very young company, they still can reach this is because of their customer service. So reach your goals, blah blah blah, prevention, detection. All right, as you can see over here, their HQ is in Singapore. They have office in Bangkok. They also have an office in Amsterdam right now, as I know them. So let's go ahead and check out their few teams. We go check out their teams, and then we go check out their blog as well as the FAQ. These are the most important stuff that we're going to check out. So let's go and check out their team first. So if you click on this, you can actually see their whole team, and it's so transparent that you don't have this kind of spammy shadow kind of thing when you're working with them, which is very good. They have like their whole team over here, and they have like the GIF kind of stuff over here, which is cool. So publisher manager Amsterdam, business development manager Amsterdam, publisher manager Bangkok, business development manager Bangkok, finance support Bangkok. So these are their teams. So they have their old team over here, and the GIF looks pretty neat. So they're very transparent, guys. So let's go ahead and check out their blog. So they have their own blog where they write articles regularly. Bangkok guide, all this kind of guide. Okay, this looks pretty neat. I think content marketing is one of their marketing strategy, which is good for affiliate network. A lot of people does that. All right. Okay, why should I work with Gotzha? How publisher manager will be a sparring partner? This is something that I told you, right? I really believe in this because they have very good thing, and we offer early payments, weekly payments as well, blah 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 blah. Everything looks pretty neat, guys. So let's go ahead, get yourself into the Gotzha. So once you actually sign up into the Gotzha, it's not that hard, guys, trust me. Since they have like a super friendly affiliate manager, try to contact them, try to communicate with them, and they will get you inside their affiliate network in no time, guys. So this is how we got into the affiliate network. This is the affiliate network of Team Debru. It's not mine. So this is how their dashboard looks like. It's pretty neat, guys. And if you can actually see, it's pretty customized. It's not like something that you usually see. It's something like a little bit different, because I think they have their own API, they have their own integration, their own tracking system and stuff like that. So they are not copy pasting somebody else. Usually, I'm not saying that it's bad, but usually when you see a network which has almost similar, usually you can actually see them in Yap ads, they have like a very similar pattern. Usually it's like they have like one base template kind of thing that they can actually just customize it for themselves, but usually there's not a lot of network which actually build the whole thing by themselves, and I think Gotzha build their whole thing by themselves. That's why it looks pretty neat, pretty nice. Everything looks pretty neat. And then over here is the dashboard. Over here is the report section. We're going to take a look at it as well for a while as well. Let's go to the offer section as well. As you can see over here, they have 162 pages with 4,855 current offers. Usually last time when I was working with them, they have like 2,000 plus, more than 2,000 offers, which is already superb. But now they keep increasing their offers. They keep making their network grow big. They are actually making their network big. So they have like, look at that, they have like 4,855 offers available. That is a huge amount of number, guys. If you just go and take a look at that, so you can actually go ahead, browse over here. You can search on vertical, whatever verticals that you want. They're very specified in their vertical, whether you want e-commerce. Let's go and see finance, what kind of offer they have for finance. So mostly for this is like for credit card. So crypto, do they have crypto offers? I don't think they have crypto offers. Oh, they do have crypto offers as well. 500. This is good. They have for Denmark, and this is South Africa. This which is great. So let's go binary. They have anything in binary? So they do have everything in each one of it, guys, which is pretty neat. I personally have not used their software. I've not used their network for quite some time. After so long, I'm coming back, and they have improved. They are not going like backwards, they're going forward, which is very good. They have improved. The offers are so much offers are there. Last time they don't have crypto offers and stuff like that, but now they have crypto offers, binary offers, finance offers. Go ahead, check them out, guys. Definitely their offers are really worth it. So this is the report section where you can actually go ahead and check out the report for whatever time that you actually choose. You can actually change the timing over here, campaign summary, creative summary, conversion report, click report. All those reports are here. And this is the account information, where you can go ahead and change the account information of your personal account, and then you can actually go ahead and see if you want to change the payment method and everything. All that goes in the account info section. I'm not going to go into the info section because there's a lot of confidential information over there, and I don't want you guys to see because I get screwed up. This is like the Team Deborah's account, not my personal account, so I get screwed, guys. So don't even think about that. So that's the section for account info. You can actually go ahead and change your details, payment terms, and all those stuffs over here. And this is actually the alert section, where you can actually see which offer is going to get terminated, which offer reached the cap, which offer is going to get pause, and all this stuff. And this section over here would be your account manager, Ricardo Ted. I've not worked with him yet. Personally, I had a different account manager which was super friendly as well, but with the reputation that Gotzha got, I think most of their affiliate managers are friendly. So they have their email over here and all those stuffs over here. And like I told you, the biggest drawback that Gotzha have right now is they don't have a referral link, which is very sad, because a lot of people with the reputation that Gotzha has, with the friendly customer service, with the support, with the team, with the weekly payment method, on the time payment method, and all these kind of stuff, with the reputation that Gotzha have, a lot of people would highly be interested to actually use Gotzha as a referral. So not having a referral link, I think, is the biggest drawback for them currently. Definitely, if the Gotzha team is watching this, I would highly say to you, please go ahead and get try to figure out this is like the biggest drawback. A lot of people are asking this. So if you can actually get the referral link, you might increase your conversion rate, you might increase all of your revenues and stuff like that. It's just a friendly reminder, guys. So basically that's the dashboard of that's the whole integration, that dashboard once you have actually logged in into the Gotzha. So literally we have covered the whole thing about Gotzha, the website, my personal opinion, the dashboard, and all those stuff. Definitely Gotzha is one of the most highly recommended networks that you should get yourself associated with. I personally believe in that. I personally used Gotzha before, and I'm planning to use Gotzha again. So if you want to get your access into Gotzha, definitely go ahead and get yourself into Gotzha. It's like super worth it, guys, trust me. I think we have reached the end of today's video. I've covered a lot regarding Gotzha. We're gonna do a lot more videos regarding Gotzha, so you have to stay tuned and watch the Gotzha series. It's gonna be like more stuff, a lot of stuff regarding Gotzha. So it's gonna be the Gotzha series coming out. I really hope that you'll learn one or two things from this video, and on top of that, I really hope that you enjoy this video. That's the most important part. If you have any question regarding today's video, do not hesitate to drop us a comment below, just below this video, and we will get to that particular comment ASAP.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.